Alright, folks, let's get started with day one advance of graphing coordinates using coordinate grids and coordinate pairs. So let's move rather quickly because this is going to be much the same as a review of prior knowledge, although the prior knowledge was typically in quadrant 1. So let's get started with day one of graph points in all 4 quadrants using ordered pairs of integers advanced. Okay, let's start off with just some simple things. You're moving 2 units to the right and 4 units to above. So the words we're going to be using is left and right, above, and below. Okay, so that's where C is, and that would valuation of C is 2, 4. This is the X, this is the Y. Point A, 5, 3 is 5 units to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 units to the top, 1, 2, 3. So here's where A would be, and that's 5, 3. Be very certain that you always put the X first and followed by the Y. This is where I might have to have a little sing for you about side to side, then up and down. Okay, give a verbal description of where C is. Well, C is on the x-axis. This is the y-axis. So C is x 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay, and point A is going to be on the y-axis because we're not moving any to the left or to the right, but we're moving up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's where point A would be. Okay, let's move down to the lower part. This is coordinate. It's an E. Grid. The horizontal axis is x-axis. The vertical is the y-axis. This is the origin. Very important to start there. And it is 0, 0. Ordered pair is x first, always, then y. Example 4 and 5. This is 4. This is 5. And when graphing, you go left to right, up and down. Here's where I'm going to sing tip for you in just a moment. And then let's talk about the corner or the quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're written in Roman numerals. The valuation of items in this are going to be plus, plus. This is going to be negative, plus. This is going to be negative, negative, and this is going to be positive, negative. Okay? Now, how do you remember? Well, you just draw the C from up here all the way around, and that's the order, and that's counterclockwise. That might be a term that you guys don't use in the digital world, but it is very informative to most people. Counterclockwise. All right, let's move on. The points that we're going to be plotting is A, 4, 3. So we go over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 3. 1, 2, 3. There is A. B is over to the left 2, 1, 2, and then up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 1. Bad looking C. And D is 6, 0. This is definitely going to be on the x-axis because it doesn't go above or below. So we just count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's where we're going to put D. Okay, where is A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 2. So 5, -2. B is -2, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. C is over 2, and then up 1, 2, 3, 4. D is over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 2. Notice that by not having the negatives and the positives in the right order, or X and Y in the right order, you're going to get a completely different answer. So make sure you're attuned to the X first, then the Y, and make sure that you have the appropriate negative and positive for each point. So let's move on. What is the X coordinate for D? D, the X coordinate is 2. What is the Y coordinate for A? It is 5. Y is the second coordinate, so it's over -4 and up 5. Which point is located 4 units to the left of the origin? Well, here's the origin, and you want to go 4 units to the left. 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 units above. So there we go. That's A. Notice these left and right references and above and below. Which point is located 3 points to the left of the origin and 2 points below the x-axis? Well, 3 points to the left, 1, 2, 3, and 2 points below, 1, 2, C. Which point is in quadrant 1? Well, let's do a review. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And let's also review that this is positive, positive, this is negative, positive, this is negative, negative, and this is positive, negative. Okay? So this is positive, negative. So it's going to be located in the fourth quadrant. But let's go ahead and give this a value of E and plot it, shall we? So 5 and then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, put them, and that's where E is. Okay? Alright, so the next thing that I want you to do is go ahead and do the practice. Can you do that? So here it is. And this page as well. So let's go ahead and show you the answer, shall we? This seems sufficient. I didn't show the upper portion of the previous page. Okay, we're good for today.